Today we're going to talk a little bit about how the Vie Scope and the Bougie is packaged. So the gray scopes are the ones that are live and ready for patient use. The blue ones are our training scopes. So the Vie Scope is sold individually. Training scopes sold individually. This is the Tactical Coiled Bougie. And this is the same bougie, but straight. In addition to selling them individually, they are sold as a kit. So within the kit, you get a reusable kit bag. You get one Vie Scope, and then behind that, tucked away, is the bougie. So after you sell these kits, you can then sell a bundle to go back in the kit. So your client might buy a replacement bundle of one scope and one bougie to go back inside the reusable kits. So again, training scopes sold individually, Vie Scopes sold individually, Tactical Bougie, straight bougie. You can buy them as a bundle, or you can buy them as a kit or as a training kit.